We're at the border of Tennessee and North Carolina. I'll show you the sign later. I'll post it in the video up above right here. And it's beautiful out here. It's like 60 degrees. That's the hike?
Start at Atlanta, just north of Atlanta. Goes all the way through, crosses over, but North Carolina, what's that, Virginia?
Yeah, West Virginia,
Maryland,
all the way up, so you
New
can
Jersey,
hike.
New England, Boston, Vermont, New Hampshire, all up to Maine.
You can hike all the way
Whoa,
from
be
here.
careful.
Wow.
Don't climb up there. Wait, stay there for a
Here's
picture.
the miles here. I'm gonna go up and see what it's like.
Yeah, there might be a good view.
Actually, I want to go over here. There's a plaque here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Here we go, up the stairs. Wow, look at that. That is gorgeous.
Jay, we have one more picture to take.
Guys, look at Daddy. Stay like that. Look at Daddy. Mason. Smile.
Ah, this is gorgeous.
Over to her. To her head. Look at Daddy.
Okay, so what side is North Carolina? What side's
It cuts across.
on the road, or?
Yeah.
So what
we
side?
make a left out here and go to North Carolina.
Oh, really? So right now we're in Tennessee?
Yeah. So that half is
Oh,
North Carolina.
okay.
Wait, we're in Tennessee.
Wow.
He's on right there. See the trail right across this crosswalk?
Yeah.
That's the Appalachian Trail.
Wait, we're in
Oh,
That's
okay.
Tennessee. Look, this is Tennessee.
So this part's Tennessee. Look at the
But
road
that
down
mountain
there.
over there is North Carolina.
I don't know if you guys can see that.
Two states. You're in two different states. All right.
Oh, there's Tennessee. Let's go down there.
Look at the light. That's beautiful. The way the light's hitting it.
I got fleeing pictures.
Let's do the Tennessee, North Carolina line and be done.
Go hit whatever we gotta hit on the way down.
If I can remember half of them.
Well, man. You see one, we'll pull over.
If I can see it in time.
Well, at 25 miles an hour, you're supposed to be able to see them all.
The steps aren't even.
Some of these are just jacked up. Oh, it's getting chilly out here. It's getting chilly. Here's a stick here if anybody wants to use it for.
That's why I leave it there.
Somebody left it there, yeah. Somebody left the walking
Across the street,
stick.
we'll take a picture from the other sign.
Did you take any of those yet?
Yeah, we'll go over there too.
I'm starting to get cold now.
Yeah, it's like 10, 15 degrees.
My nose is starting to run.
Oh, it's a nice road.
Yeah, it's too cold for you to.
We're at Newfound Gap, Tennessee. We're on the border of Tennessee and North Carolina. Look at that. It's beautiful.
5,046.
Oh, 5,046? Okay, we're at elevation of 5,046. You can really feel the chill in the air. We had snow up here a little bit on the side of the road. Oh, it's beautiful. The sun's going down. You see it's getting cloudy. There's a lot of people here. Look at that. Oopsie. It's from the wind, Mason, because it's cold.
What's wrong with you?
He's cold.
Every other boy and girl here have the same thing. They're not crying.
Look at the road down there. Wow.
I was just gonna, yeah, I just saw it. I am overseas. My kind of history stuff, you know, like that.
What's that one say?
Actually, it does look like blue smoke. It's a long ways down. Look at that.
Go like this. If you put your hands this way, go like this and you won't. It'll be nice and warm on your ears.
My hands are like this because my.
Yeah, your hands will be warmer.
What?
Your hands will be nice and warm like that.
Yeah, but my hands are feel cold. And not warm. My hands are not warm me up. I'm keeping my head like this. Oh my God, Daddy! I keep my head like this. Look, Daddy. Daddy, look at her. Daddy, look at them.
Yeah, she's way up there, huh?
Daddy, look at me.
Yeah.
No, I'm not going. Daddy, look at them down there.
This actually looks like Tennessee.
Yeah, it does. Oh, look at the sun shining off that mountain way down there. Oh yeah, you know what? That might be snow out there. See that where it looks like the sun's shining on it? It could be snow way out there. Yeah. Let me go here real quick. Up these stairs. Wow. This is nice. Look at that. Okay, we're crossing the road here. This is going to take us to, where did he say? The Appalachian Mountains?
Yeah, the other sign. Going the other way, right?
Yeah, yep. Appalachian Mountains are down this way.
Appalachian Trail.
Oh, Appalachian Trail. Yeah.
What?
I'm gonna walk down here a little bit. Just take a picture of that wall over there.
I could do a little bit, yeah.
This is gonna say we're on the Appalachian Trail.
We are on the Appalachian Trail.
Run.
Mason, stop right there.
You gotta watch you don't slide down the hill.
Yeah, that wouldn't be a good thing.
No, because that's what they said. Make sure you hang on to the kids.
My wench doesn't go that far down. Look at the sun shining on that one part of the trees there.
Yeah.
Slow. Don't run, just walk very
Oh, it's
slow.
all mud.
It's like leaves.
Oh, okay.
Walk very slow. Step on these rocks.
Okay.
Don't slip.
Oh yeah, look at the metal pieces here. You gotta watch you don't fall on that.
That's for your feet. Give you a grip.
I'm just gonna go down to that wall and then back.
That's all we're doing.
Yeah.
Huh?
This way.
You want to try coming down to this wall, Aunt Maria?
Oh no, I can't. Won't be able to make it up. It's too slippery.
There.
I don't have the footing.
I have the footing to go down, but I don't know about going back up. I got the footing to go down. I don't know about coming back up.
Too scary, right? Too scary,
That's
right?
a long ways down.
It's too scary, right?
Yeah.
Watch it. Ready, watch. Ready? Throw it.
Oh, he hit the tree. Here's a good one, Mason.
Good throw,
Here.
sis.
Nice one, sissy.
See that? Just that little throw? That's my elbow. That's how bad my elbows are.
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
Go.
Okay, I'm gonna head back on up.
Alright.
I'm heading on up.
Don't roll down the mountain.
This. Okay, here comes the mud. Gotta be really careful. What? Diarrhea? You stepped in diarrhea?
Okay, be
Oh,
careful.
No Phoebe, I'm free. Let it go. Let it go. I just want you to flow like this. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. I got the it.
I wouldn't have made it out.
It was fun.
Actually, that wasn't bad.
No, but for me, I would
There's
have
a
made it out.
moss on this stick.
What?
There's a moss on it.
Oh, let me take a picture of that.
Go down here.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it is.
Walk down there so you can get the actual.
All the snow over there. Snow on that.
That's because you got to put your hood up and do
Yeah,
your
hold my hand.
jacket up. Oops.
Come on.
Daddy, I'm going here.
We're not going to do this. We're gonna go play in the forest somewhere different.
I'm not playing any ball.